Impatience is not always ambition. Sometimes it's simply fear. It's a fear that says, if I don't act now, I'll lose everything. So we begin to move before we are sent. We decide before we are directed by God, and we begin to build before we are actually formed and ready to hold what comes with the promise. But fear will always push us to manufacture what God has promised to give us freely. And if we're not careful, we will end up exhausting ourselves trying to produce in our strength what can only come from His timing. Impatience is a lie that says what God said will never happen unless I do something about it. But God is not in a hurry. He's in the business of forming us. He will wait until our characters can carry what His promise contains, so that when we arrive, we don't just get there with the promise, we get there whole enough to live out the promise. So slow down. Fear always rushes, but faith rests, and it rests in God's faithfulness. What God promised does not need us to be in any form of panic. All it needs us is just to trust God and trust His process.